Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in Disney Springs in Orlando, Florida, and today is one of the last few remaining shopping days before Christmas. So we're gonna go around, check out all the craziness, see what's going on here at the Disney Springs Mall, maybe buy a few things, and see what else I got going on for the holidays. It's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, so like we said, we're here in Disney Springs today. We're really excited to be here. We're here in Disney Springs. It is a busy day. We parked in the orange garage. Orange garage right behind us, and it was 100% full.
It said it was full. We went in anyways. Luckily they got those the lights that direct you where to go, and we found like one open spot. Barely squeezed in there. Right, truck's too big. But with that, we're on a mission. We're going to see the Christmas things, see the holiday things, and do some shopping, because I got some presents to buy for my coworkers. Let's go. Oh, that's a lovely tree, very shiny, tree shaped. So you see there's a hidden Mickey. Oh yeah, you kind of see him. Yeah, okay. I kind of see that. All right, and so there is like a Christmas tree stroll. So if we can find a map, we can maybe hit up all those. We'll see. It is a busy night though at Disney Springs. It's always busy here, but it's exceptionally busy. Of course, for the holidays. It looks extra beautiful. The Christmas tree is sprung up, and just look at that crowd. I'm just realizing I don't know if I got the patience for all these people today. We're gonna find out. Oof. Absolutely beautiful, decorated for the holidays. Yeah, they're poinsettias. Poinsettias? Yeah, up there. See? Okay. So is that a poinsettia chandelier? Sure. Check out this deer here in this field of poinsettias. Yeah. Very festive. Very shiny. All right, so we found another festive holiday tree here. This is definitely very creepy because this is the Haunted Mansion tree, and you can see it's got the bride from the Haunted Mansion implanted into the tree. Super creepy. I don't think that deer realizes how much poinsettias cost. He's eating them. And these palm trees are all glittering. They're shining bright like diamonds. Very sparkly. All right, we do see there's some like toy soldiers making their way through the crowd. If it's gonna focus on them, and there they go. Look at that plume. We've also found, I think this is the main Christmas tree here. It's at least one of the bigger ones. So there you have it. Look at all those ornaments. Absolutely massive. So we're gonna go check out the Welcome Center, see if we can find one of these Christmas tree maps. So the folks of the Welcome Center were very helpful, but that is not where you get the map. If you thought that getting a map from the Welcome Center was the right place to go, you are mistaken. Instead, we're informed that it's directly on the other side of the main Christmas tree here. So I was correct in saying that this is the main Christmas tree, and we're gonna go to a store on the other side of it here called Luxury of Time. As we make our way over to Luxury of Time, we see that it is snowing in Florida. It's soap. I don't like it. Bah humbug. All right, so we made it to Luxury of Time by Diamonds International. Again, you think the Welcome Center would have maps? It's wrong. The Diamond Store has the maps. Why is that? I don't know. Makes no sense, but here we are. For a little autograph? Yeah, I'm doing it. You probably need to ask somebody for your taking it? Oh, okay. So we got our map, so now we can do our stroll. You can't stroll with it unless you have a map and know where you're going. Yeah. I think since we're in the diamond store, the map should come with a free diamond. Yeah, sign us up for that, Disney. Okay. Are we going to mark off the ones that we've already seen? Yeah. All right. So the second tree that we saw. That was the Haunted Mansion one. Right. Yeah, it was this one. All right, y'all. So there's 21 trees. That's a lot of trees. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some of them, and we'll give you guys a couple hints. But then you come to Disney Springs, and then you do the Christmas stroll yourself, and you get some fun things. On the back of it, looks like between November 8th and December 30th, if you bring this by, you get some discounts. So like 10% off at Blaze Pizza, 10% off your meal at Chicken Guy. So there you go. Yeah, supposedly you get a free Christmas ornament when you complete it. So that's why the recommendation to us was to get 2 of them because we have 2 people. Exactly. So. But next up, on to World of Disney, because I got things to buy. Let's go. All right, so now we have made it to World of Disney. So this is one of the main Disney shops here at Disney Springs. We're gonna find all of our Disney merchandise. But you see outside, there are 2 more Christmas trees. Looks like that one is the Castle Christmas tree. And then we also have what looks to be Disney Plus. It's hard to see the tree topper there, but that's what it is, Disney Plus. We also have a couple drummer boy girls on stilts. We'll say it's pretty neat that they got all the different like entertainers and characters and stuff out and about, because usually that's not a thing here just at Disney Springs. But yeah, for the holidays it's cool that they bring some extra stuff out. Here we go, entering into World of Disney.
So excited.
Everybody else is piling in. It's craziness. Gotta get in line to get through the door. Here we go, we are inside. And look at all of this. It's madness.
I'm trying to find some mugs and some coffee for my coworkers. We're gonna see if we can find what we're looking for today. Let's go.
I don't know. I'm getting like Black Friday 1996 vibes. Like, do these people not realize the internet exists? Why is everyone here? Even just getting around here though is just absolute chaos. There's so many people trying to feel like a salmon swimming upriver.
So quick update. We got some stuff. Waiting for one more thing. And then we're going to be out there to the store. We're in and out in less than 30 minutes. Aren't you impressed?
No, we haven't checked out yet.
Oh, yeah. Okay, good call.
Granted, checkout here does usually go pretty smooth. But yeah, we need to get some help because there's one item that is way up on the top shelf. And even though I'm tall, I can't quite reach it. And I went and asked for someone with a ladder or a stick. And they told me that if it's up there, it's not for sale. And
we're challenging that.
Yeah. If I was like 6 inches taller, I would have that.
Yeah.
But they're gonna go and check and see if they have it backstage.
I have whacked out again, didn't I?
Yeah.
I have a whole bucket full of stuff. But, you know, it's only Christmas once.
All right, pause the video now, guys. Comment down below. How much do you think she spent here?
Quick look. That's all I get. All right, I'll see you guys at checkout.
I'm gonna say $250.
Oh, we get a discount though. I think I spent more than $250.
You think you spent more than $250?
Yeah. You guys, it's like Lewis knows me. He knew almost the penny before I added some more stuff in there how much it was going to be. Do you want to tell him how much it was, babe?
Yeah, so my guess was $250. As we're going through the checkout register, she's grabbing other stuff off the walls, messing up the math. And yeah, she added $21 worth of pens. 3 pens, surprisingly, $21. $7 a pen, that's insane.
Yeah.
That was before the discount, and then when we got everything all total discount, $265. So really, I was like pretty dang spot on at that $250 mark before she grabbed those pens.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, y'all. As we exit World Disney, we see Waterside Stage, a little band popping off there.
Yeah. So they got a cool concert going on, doing cover songs.
Yeah. It's not Christmas music though.
I want to hear because it's true. That's what I like about you.
Did I tell you what you want to hear?
Yeah.
All right, Ghirardelli, showing off with your festive garlands. Here for it. Co-op looking festive too. I love an LED light moment. All done.
All right, she bought more stuff.
Yeah, I only bought one more shirt.
Yeah. Never be your beast of burden.
No, honey, I'm sorry. I love you so much for carrying my
Let's
stuff.
keep going around and find all the Christmas trees.
Yeah, no, okay, so I promise this. I'm going to find 2 more trees, and then that's it, we're done.
I'm just joking.
All
No big deal.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's holiday shopping at Disney.
Yeah.
Especially if you're the husband.
Yeah.
Take your back pills.
You guys, I maintain, hands down, 100%. I had the best husband in the entire world. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah.
He carries all my stuff all the time, never complains once. Lets me do whatever I want to do, and this is a great hubby.
I'm just saying, would it be terrible if they had shopping carts?
Disney, get those. And right outside, Once Upon a Toy, we have another Christmas tree. Let's go see which one this says. All right, guys, so there she is in all of her glory. And this one is the red Christmas tree.
Yeah, but never quite know exactly what spot we should put these.
Okay, I'll show you because I know exactly where we are. All right.
Right here?
Nope. Whoops.
Walked by 2 more and didn't even know it.
Okay, so we think this is the right one. We don't even know. It must be. We think it's the right one.
Yeah, there's so many of them like together, and you may not always, there's just so many Christmas trees around in general, you may not always realize that you're walking past one. So, it's fun.
Yeah, is it though? All right, 2 more trees, 1 more tree, 2 more trees.
Sure, let's head that way.
All right, I'll keep going.
So, Christine stopped in a Goofy's Candy to get some much needed water, new Dasani, now without salt, so new improved taste. But she also picked up some Christmas treat snacks. So we got little Rice Krispie s'mores, And you got a Mickey Rice Krispie
wreath
as well.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a green Mickey wreath. Kampai. Kind of good.
We'll give it a try. Extra marshmallowy.
Yeah. Very, very fresh. I'm telling y'all, Disney Springs is a vibe. Very pretty and twinkle lights. A lot of good smells.
It's pretty at nighttime.
Yeah. All right, guys, and here we have the Toy Story tree. So that is located right next to this like BB Wolf's hot dog place right across the bridge. And right behind Lewis is the Lego store. So that's where you find it.
There you have it.
There you go. Pretty cool. Yeah, there's some bottle rockets. The one where what's his face blew up the toys. There's Slinky Dog. Let's see. There's Rex. Rex is up there. Good job, Rex.
So I'm just seeing free Christmas
I don't
gifts.
think that's how any of that works.
Slinky Dog for Christmas?
No, I don't think so. Great way to get babe from Disney, babe. So Lewis is pointing out these little moose. Reindeer? Moose. Reindeer, moose, you tell us. Made out of peanuts. Made out of nuts in general, I guess. And their haunches are made out of walnuts.
Walnuts, yeah.
Chestnuts? Peanuts? Almonds? You tell me.
I think
cute,
I think the feet are walnut, or I think the feet are chestnuts, but the like the thighs, those are definitely walnuts.
Walnuts, yeah. No, you're cute. I'll take you home. These have little pastas for bows. That is cute. Good job, Disney. All right, guys, this has been a fun yet exhausting evening here at the good old Disney Springs. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm full of Christmas cheer, singing loud for all to hear. This guy is dealing with me carrying all my stuff. So good times. Well, hope you all enjoyed the video, and here's this guy with your pro tips on how to crush it at Disney Springs during the holidays. Let's go.
All right, guys, so here are your pro tips at visiting Disney Springs for the holidays. Say number one is definitely pack your patience. There are a ton of people here. Parking is going to be a pain. Getting around is going to be a pain. So take your time. Remember, it's the holiday season. Try to keep that goodwill and cheer in the utmost front of your mind. All right, pro tip number two is don't overdo it, because if you buy a ton of stuff at the Disney store, you're going to have to carry it around the whole mall. And this mall is pretty big. And if I notice looking around, most people tend to not have any shopping bags. So I think a lot of people are just here just to enjoy the holiday season, not necessarily actually shop. Probably gonna get most of their stuff online, like a normal person.
Bruh.
And pro tip number three is that if you want to do the Christmas tree stroll, make sure you pick up your map over at the World of Diamonds, International Diamonds place. Get your map, fill it out as you go around, and when you're done with it, you can turn it in and get yourself a free ornament if you so desire. That's gonna do it for today, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it, really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Bye. That's a nice shirt.
Yeah.
All right, it's cute, so I love it. Okay, you look great. Go ahead.
It's one of the last few remaining shopping holidays before Christmas. So
Shopping holidays?
Shopping days.
Try again. All right, y'all, like Lewis said, we're here in the good old Disney Springs. We love Disney Springs here on this channel. We love everything on this channel, but Disney Springs especially. So.
We don't love everything on this channel.
I love everything on this channel. But you're asking still though. Okay, go ahead.
All right. And you got a third one?
Check out all the trees.
Oh yeah.